everyone! In this video we'll look at how to make changes to segments once they've been enabled and how to disable segments within your application. So let's start off by looking at how as an app manager you edit your existing segments. I navigate to my user menu, select Manage, Manage Application and Segments. So let's look at what can be changed when editing segments. Firstly, you can change the name of a segment, remembering that all names need to be unique. For good code, I'm going to change the US segment's name to US and Europe. Secondly, you can change the makeup of a segment. So I'm going to move the countries from the Europe segment to the US and Europe segment. So now that I have an empty segment, Europe, I can remove this. Segments can only be removed once all of their attributes have been reallocated to another segment. Once you're done editing, click Save. You'll see a pop-up letting you know it could take some time and reminding you what your segments now look like. This gives you a chance to double check everything before confirming. Once you hit Confirm, you'll see a screen telling you that users are temporarily locked out, and this will remain until the changes have completed. So now let's have a look at how to disable the segments feature. If you decide it's no longer applicable for you to segment your users, you're able to disable the feature. Again, from your user menu, go to Manage, Manage Application and Segments. And you'll see the Disable Segments button to the bottom right of the page. When you click this, you'll get a warning about what will happen. So let's look at these considerations. When you disable segments, the following features will be restored to the state they were in before you enabled the segments feature. And these are featured sites, home, home defaults, branding, and subscriptions made for segments. As you'll see, disabling segments will not affect everyone in organisation subscriptions. Subscriptions that have been set up with a segment as part of their audience rule will be deleted, although the users will continue to follow the sites and people they do currently as part of the subscription. If you're happy to go ahead with disabling, you type Confirm into the text box and click the Disable Segments and Delete Data button. So let's have a quick recap. When editing segments, you can change the name of a segment, ensuring names are unique. You can change the attribute makeup of a segment, and you can remove segments as long as all the attributes have been reallocated to other segments. When disabling segments, segmented features will return to their pre-segmented states. All organisation subscriptions will not be affected. Subscriptions that have been set up with a segment as part of their audience rule will be deleted, although the users will continue to follow the sites and people they do currently as part of the subscription. So that's how you edit and disable segments. We hope you found this video useful and we hope to see you again soon.